Gentlemen, let me ask you something real. Have you started noticing that your drive just isn't what it used to be? Not just in the bedroom, but in life. Do you find yourself going through the motions, feeling flat, foggy, and a little more distant from the man you used to be? You're not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. What you're feeling isn't failure. It's your body sending a signal. A quiet, steady message that something vital is slipping away. When testosterone drops, blood flow slows, and your sleep quality fades, everything else follows. Motivation dips. Confidence takes a hit. You wake up tired, distracted, disconnected, and maybe, somewhere along the way, you told yourself this is just what happens with age. But I'm here to tell you, that's not the full story. This isn't about getting older. It's about a system that's not being supported, a system that wants to function, that wants to rebuild. It just needs the right help. And sometimes that help is as simple as restoring a single nutrient at exactly the time your body needs it most. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share next could be the step that finally brings your energy, focus, and vitality back online. Starting tonight, let me ask you something important. Have you noticed that no matter how long you sleep, you still wake up feeling worn out? Like your body never really recharged? That's not just bad luck or a busy schedule. That's your body telling you something deeper is going on. Because after 50, sleep isn't just rest. It's the most important time for repair. While you sleep, your body is supposed to be hard at work. It boosts testosterone, repairs blood vessels, especially the ones responsible for strong, healthy erections, calms inflammation in the prostate, and recharges the tiny energy factories in your cells. This is your built-in recovery system. But if your sleep is shallow or broken, this entire system falls apart. And when that happens, you feel it. Fatigue creeps in. Erections get weaker. Desire fades. You become more irritable, more distant, more disconnected from the man you used to be. Most guys assume it's just part of getting older. It's not. It's a warning sign that your body is missing something essential. But here's the good news. It can be fixed. And it doesn't require medication or a drastic lifestyle change. In fact, the missing link is often a single overlooked nutrient that your body is quietly begging for. You need to know what it is and how to use it right. Stay with me, because what comes next could be the turning point you've been waiting for. It's one of the most overlooked causes of low energy, poor sleep, and fading drive. Yet almost no one talks about it. Magnesium. The simple mineral that most men over 50 are severely lacking. And when it's missing, everything starts to feel off. Your nervous system can't settle down. Your body stays stuck in stress mode, may fall asleep, but your brain and muscles never fully relax. So you wake up already tired, already behind, and wondering what went wrong. Magnesium is your body's natural reset switch. It helps regulate your heartbeat, calm your mind, relax tight muscles, and support testosterone production. It's also essential for healthy blood flow, especially the kind that supports strong, reliable erections. But when levels drop, as they often do with age, that entire system gets thrown out of balance. You feel it in your body, the constant tension, the restlessness at night, the lack of energy in the morning. You feel it in your mood. More stress, more frustration, less motivation. And yes, you feel it in the bedroom. The spark fades, the strength disappears, and it all traces back to one missing mineral your body needs to function at its best. The good news? It's not hard to fix. But you need to do it right, because when magnesium is restored, your sleep improves, your energy returns, and your confidence starts to rebuild. Night after night, And that's exactly what we're going to talk about next. Stay with me. There's a reason so many men try magnesium and walk away disappointed. It's not because it doesn't work. It's because they're using it wrong. The first mistake? Picking the cheapest bottle they can find. Most of those use magnesium oxide, and while it might look like a bargain, your body can barely absorb it. What you're really buying is stomach discomfort and little to no benefit. The second mistake is all about timing. Magnesium is calming. It's meant to help your body slow down, not speed up. So when you take it in the morning with your multivitamin, you're fighting its natural rhythm. You feel sluggish, unfocused, and miss the real power of what this mineral can do. But take it before bed, and now your body gets the message. It's time to rest, recover, and rebuild. And the third mistake? Expecting magic on night one. Magnesium isn't caffeine. It doesn't hit fast. It builds slowly, night after night. At first, it's subtle. Then, one morning, you wake up and realize something feels better. You're sleeping deeper. You're more focused. Your mornings feel stronger. If you want results, you have to do it right. The right form, the right time, the right expectations. Stay consistent, and the change will come. If you want magnesium to actually work, you need to use it the right way. That means more than just grabbing any bottle off the shelf and hoping for the best. The form matters. Most men do best with magnesium glycinate. It's gentle. It helps your muscles relax, and it promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. If your issue is more mental, racing thoughts, stress, trouble shutting your brain off at night, then magnesium threonate might be your best bet. It crosses into the brain and helps you truly wind down. But no matter which form you choose, the timing has to be right. This isn't something you toss back in the morning with your coffee. Magnesium works best when taken at night, ideally 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Give your body time to absorb it and create a simple wind-down routine. Dim the lights. Turn off the screens. Take it with warm water or chamomile tea. Let your body know it's time to rest. You don't need massive doses. Start low. 200 milligrams of glycinate or around a gram of threonate, and adjust if needed. And if you want to take it a step further, stack it with zinc and B6, also known as ZMA. That combo helps support testosterone, muscle recovery, and overall vitality. Used correctly, magnesium becomes more than just a supplement. It becomes part of a recovery ritual, one that works while you sleep and pays off every morning you wake up stronger. So, what actually happens when you start using magnesium the right way? For many men, the first few nights bring a small but noticeable shift. You fall asleep faster. You don't toss and turn as much. You wake up feeling just a bit lighter, like your body finally got some real rest. It's not dramatic, but it's real. And it's the beginning of something bigger. By the end of the first week, the difference becomes clearer. You're not getting up as much in the middle of the night. You feel more refreshed in the morning. Your energy lasts longer into the day. And those morning erections that had started to fade, they start coming back, stronger and more consistent. Give it 2 weeks, and the results speak for themselves. Sleep becomes deeper and more consistent. Your mood evens out. You feel less reactive, more focused, more grounded, and your desire returns, not just physically, but mentally. You want to connect again. You feel like yourself again. If you're thinking, but I'm too far gone for this to work, you're wrong. I've seen men in their 70s, even 80s, regain vitality they thought was long gone. This isn't about turning back the clock. It's about reclaiming the quality of life you still deserve. Strength, energy, intimacy. It's not out of reach. You just have to start. And when you do, your body will remember exactly what to do. Tired mornings, weak erections, restless nights. These aren't just normal parts of aging. They're signs your body is running low on something it needs. Deficiency, not decline. And the truth is, deficiencies can be fixed. Your body hasn't forgotten how to recover. It just needs the right support, and it starts with what you do tonight. You've seen the science. You've heard what's possible. You've learned the mistakes to avoid and the steps to follow. Now it's time to take action. Choose the right form of magnesium. Take it at the right time. Create a simple bedtime routine that tells your body it's time to let go, to recharge, to rebuild, and then stay consistent. That's where the magic happens. Because when your nights improve, everything else begins to shift. You start waking up with energy. You show up differently in your work, in your relationships, in how you carry yourself. You move through your day with more clarity, more confidence, more strength. If this message spoke to you, if it made you stop and think, then don't keep it to yourself. Like this video. Drop a comment telling me where you're watching from and how old you are. Subscribe for more real talk on men's health that actually helps. You deserve to feel strong. You deserve rest that actually restores you. You deserve intimacy that feels alive again. It all begins with one decision, and it starts tonight.